Hi everyone! Today we're going to make a tofu dish, 家常豆腐, which just means home-style tofu, a very basic dish in every Chinese household. It is vegan, healthy, tasty, and very easy to prepare, so let's get started. Step 1 is to prep the ingredients. Here's the list of ingredients that you need. Starting with dried wood ears, soak them in hot water. Dice the pepper into bite-sized pieces. You can use bell peppers of different colors to make the dish more vibrant. Chop the green onions, crush the garlic cloves and mince them into fine pieces. Dissolve the cornstarch in some cold water. We'll need the firm tofu for this dish. Slice the packaging and pour out the water. Take out the tofu. Slice it into thin triangular pieces like this. Last but not least, you'll need some Chinese yellow soybean paste for the flavoring. The paste is made from fermented soybeans and will bring a blend of sweet, salty, and savory taste to the dish. Step 2 is to fry the tofu. In a non-stick pan, fry the tofu to make it slightly browned on both sides. Frying helps to retain the shape of the tofu and also provides a crustier texture. Step 3 is to stir fry and simmer. On a medium heat, heat up some oil. Then add in the green onion and minced garlic. Let them sizzle for about 10 seconds. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of soybean paste. Lightly stir it. Then add in the fried tofu, mix until they're covered with soybean paste. Followed up with peppers and wood ears. Stir fry all the ingredients to mix them well. Then add a bit of water, let the dish simmer for about 10 minutes. Periodically stir. Now our starch water might have settled, give it another mix. When the water level reduces, add in the cornstarch water mixture to make the broth a bit more condensed. As you can see, the broth is quickly thickened. And that's it! Our easy and delicious home-style tofu is ready. You can sprinkle on some green onions. Tofu is tender, juicy, and flavorful. The soybean paste gives the salty and fermented savor. Wood ears soak up all the broth and add some nice crunch. Garlic and green onion bring some nice garlicky aroma, while the peppers provide some natural sweetness and many vibrant colors. Hope you like this easy and tasty tofu recipe. Stay tuned for more Chinese food recipes like this.